Where they go. Shut up! From the outside is entry number 8A, unopposed and running by the rails formidable Ella, rushing up is Queen. It's now formidable Ella, Queen, shut up, power, negotiator, unopposed, racing in fifth, 7A, down on the inside, in the nick of time, Soul, Invictus, and running down on the inside, Head Honcho, and Terrible Heart. Last 800. Formidable Ella Queen is on the outside, and Power Negotiators racing in third by Hapalan, and Shut Up racing in fourth by Sam Trilay. Soul Invictus is racing in fifth by Sam Tulines in the nick of time unopposed. Rounding the far turn, Formidable Ella Queen, Power Negotiator from the outside. Shut Up also rushing up Soul Invictus as they raise the final corner. Formidable Ella, Power Negotiator, Shut Up is nicking Badral Queen in the nick of time, Soul Invictus, and nearing the finish line, Power Negotiator by some 2 lengths now, Formidable Ella, and finally Power Negotiator, Formidable Ella, Shut Up in the nick of time, 7A unopposed, Soul Invictus Queen, Terrible Heart, Head Honcho.